Our topic for today is the rule of exponents. What are exponents? Exponents are shorthand for repeated multiplication of the same number. For example, we have 3 times 3, then another times 3 again, and we have 5, 3. So to make this short, we are going to make 3 and a 5, a small number 5. 3 to the power 5 is equals to 243. So we have here the 3 is the base and the 5 is the exponent. So the power rule of exponents uh, states that multiplying the same base but different exponents, just copy the base and add the exponents. We have here a to the power m times a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. So you add the two exponents m and n. So for example, we have here 8 cubed times 8 squared. This is equals to 8 to the power 3 plus 2. And 8 is equals to 8 to the power 5, which is equals to 32,768. So it is a big number. So for short, you just write 8 to the power 5. So you have your x to the power 4 times x squared is equals to x to the power 4 plus 2, or this is equals to x to the power 6. The quotient rule. The quotient rule states that dividing the same base but different exponents, just copy the base and subtract the exponents with the exponent of the dividend as the minuend and the exponent of the divisor as the subtrahend. We have here a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n, provided that a is not equal to 0. So you have your 9 to the power 6 divided by 9 to the power 4 is equals to 9 to the power 6 minus 4, which is equals to 9 squared. And 9 squared is equals to 81. And this is in the condition also that m is greater than n. Y to the power 7 divided by y cube is equals to y to the power 7 minus 3 for y to the power 4. The zero power rule. We have a to the power 0 for any number raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. 100 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. 100,000 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Even 1 million raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. X to the power 0 is equals to 1. We have a negative power rule. We have a to the power negative m is equals to 1 over a to the power m. So a has become a reciprocal. So we have 8 to the power negative 3 is equals to 1 over 8 to the power 3, or 1 over 512. So go back to the quotient rule. Have a to the power m divided by a to the power n, and if m is equals to n, then your divisor becomes a to the power m. So the same with the dividend. So a becomes now a to the power m minus m, or m is equals to 0. And dividing the same number with the same power, This is equals to 1. This is now the zero power rule from the derived from the quotient rule. Another also example is 10 to the power 0 can be from 10 to the power 2 or squared divided by 10 to the power 2 or squared is equals to 10 to the power 2 minus 2 or 10 to the power 0, and 10 squared is 100 over 10 squared is 100, so 100 divided by 100 is equals to 1. So from 100 divided by 100 we have 1. This is how to prove that a to the power 0 is equals to 1. And x to the power 0 is equals to 1. We have from the quotient rule, a to the power negative m is equals to 1 over a to the power m. So how to prove this one? So 1 can be a to the power 0 is equals to 1 divided by a to the power m. And this becomes a to the power 0 minus m. And this is equals to a to the power negative m. That's how to prove the negative power rule. We have here the power of a power rule. And the power rule is a to the power m, then raised to another power n. This is equals to a to the power m times n. So, for example, we have here 5 squared raised to the power 4 is equals to 5 with the power 2 times 4, or 5 to the power 8. Another is x cubed raised to the power square is equals to x to the power 3 times 2, and this is equals to x to the power 6. This is the power of a power rule.